everyone. I'm going to show you how to make super simple couscous. I love adding couscous to my salads, but I don't need much and I don't feel like busting out a pot and making a big production out of it every day. So I have a super simple tip that you can make an individual size portion in less than a minute. It is absolutely foolproof. If I can do it, you can do it. Here's what you'll need. Some hot water, couscous, a little small bowl, and a tablespoon. And here's what you'll do. Put a tablespoon of the couscous in the little bowl, and then pour some hot water over it. You'll want to add just enough so it's covering the couscous. And then you'll wait 1 minute. That's it. After a minute, you'll have perfect couscous you can fluff up with a fork and add to your salad. It is that easy. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.